Here we go. We have a question non-overlapping intervals. So you have given a 2D array representing interval start time and end time. We need to return the minimum number of intervals you need to remove to make the rest of the intervals non-overlapping. So we have this example. In this, we have these three. First, this, and this. So we have these three overlapping subproblem, these three overlapping intervals. So if I remove the highlighted interval, then we have non-overlapping intervals. So the answer for this test case is 1. If we had this, so in this, all three are overlapping. So if I remove 2, we got no overlapping subproblem, no overlapping intervals. So in this, there is no overlapping interval. So let's find out how we can solve this question. So first of all, the array is unsorted. So first of all, we have to sort the array according to starting position. So if I sort the array according to starting position, we got this type of test cases. Then we need to find out what are the count of intervals that we need to remove to make rest of the intervals non-overlapping. So first of all, we need to find the previous. So previous ending. So we got -1 and the answer. So after sorting, we have this. We will work on these two variables. So first of all, if I encounter this interval, so this interval, the ending position, so is this overlapping with this? So it means the previous end ends on this, and the new starting is this. So the new starting is greater than previous. So this is non-overlapping. So we just simply pick this ending position. So it means previous ending position. Then suppose we go to this. So it means the previous ending is 3, previous ending is 3, and new starting is less. New starting is less. So it means this is overlapping. This is overlapping. So we need to handle this. We need to handle this. Uh, Actually, this is 1 and 2. So the starting position is less than previous ending. The starting position of the current interval is less than previous ending. So starting position of current interval is less than previous ending. It means this is overlapping. So if this is overlapping, then then it means we will delete we will delete a interval. So let's suppose we will delete the bigger one. So we will increment our answer. Then we got only this. So the previous will be minimum. So the previous will be the current ending. The previous will be current ending. So that's how this will work. So if we go to next, so the previous ending now owns 2, and let's say we got 2. So 2 and 3. So according to this question, if this is equal, the previous ending and new starting is equal, it means this is no non overlapping. It means this is non overlapping. So we have to uh, take it as it is. So we will not change it. So the ending will be 3. The ending will be 3. So now let's say we got next test case. So the previous ends on 3 and the next on 3 and 4. So is it overlapping? No, it is non overlapping. Overlapping is this. Overlapping condition is this only. So at the end we only got 1. So now let's start with this, because we have sorted according to the starting position. And if I got this, now let's work on this. We got previous ending is on -1 and the new is this. So this is non overlapping. We will take previous, we will take ending position, which is this. Then we got the bigger one. Previous ends on 2. The new starting is 1. The new starting is 1. So if starting position is less than previous ending, it means this is overlapping. So then what will I do? First I will increment. This is overlapping. We have to remove. What overlapping, we need to remove the bigger one, and we will consider the smallest one. So I will pick smallest value between this and this. So we only got 2. Now same thing, if a previous ends on 2, let's say we got this, so this is non-overlapping. We need to pick the ending position is 3. Let's say we got the next, which is 3, 3 and 4. Then this is non-overlapping, we got 4, so we only got 1. So the answer for this test case is 1. Now let's try to solve this test case. Previous is -1, answer is 0. Previous ends on -1, we got 5 and 15. Is it overlapping? No, it is non-overlapping. So we need to pick the ending position. We got 15. Now what we got? We got uh, a line ends on 15 at an interval starts on 10. So let me write here, interval starts on 10. So starting position is less. It means this is overlapping. We need to increment our answer. This is overlapping. And the ending will be the minimum of this value and the minimum of this value, because we are removing the bigger subarray, bigger interval, bigger interval. So we got 15. The answer in the previous is 15. We removed the bigger one. Then we got 17 and 20. This is non-overlapping. Then we will update it to 20. At the end we only got 1. So that's how this approach will work. Let's code this. We got, first we have to sort it according to starting position in increasing order. Then previous, we have just simple for each loop. If the starting position is less than previous ending, means this is overlapping. We need to consider it. We will remove, and the previous will be the minimum of current end or already previous end. Else it is non-overlapping. Just pick the ending position, and at the end just return the answer. Let's give it a hit. Talk about time and space complexity. It is pretty clear. Time complexity is n log n. Space complexity, order of n. Space complexity is constant. We are not utilizing any space, and we have met the expected time and space complexity. Code is given in the description box. Thank you all for